how to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device over here, and as you launch the Instagram application, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. That will lead you to settings and privacy. So simply select on the account center, or you can simply tap on the search bar and search for tag over here. Here you'll be able to see the option of review tags, so simply tap on review tags, and after you do that you can see the option of pending tags. Select on that. So here you can see the hidden tag over here. Now if you want to hide it, simply make a long press, or you can just go back and tap on the select option at the top right corner of the screen. Then select the particular post, and here you have the option to manage. Tap on it and tap on the hide option. So let's tap on the hide option and then tap on hide from profile. So now the post will be hidden from your profile, but if you want to see the hidden tagged post, you have to go to the profile that you have shared the post from. So we're going to tap on the search bar and search for the particular profile, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.